Sometimes it's hard to distinguish the destination from the journey. Such is the case with the suspended sculpture at Sound Transit's Angle Lake Station, known as the Cloud. Commissioned by Sound Transit as part of the program which allocates construction funds for art projects, the Cloud was created for the new Angle Lake Station when it opened in 2016.
I'm Laura Haddad. I've lived in Seattle for the past 25 years. The Cloud is made up of over 6,000 individual acrylic discs. They're 5 inches in diameter, and most of them are white, but there are also some in sunset colors. And these discs are suspended from stainless steel cables that are about 50 feet long. We began with, sketches and little renderings. We were really conscious about the spacing of the discs, wanting to give them enough room so that they could spin freely. So we built a mock-up that we had in our backyard for a couple of years, and every time it would get windy, I'd run out and look at it. We started out, believe it or not, thinking, oh, we'll make them out of glass, but that would have been a disaster. So we sized it to fit into our pickup truck, and we drove down Airport Way in Georgetown to kind of test run it.
Because of Laura's particular skill set, she made models of the station, and it really helped city staff and some of the key business owners around there envision more what was going to be happening.
Once design was done, we spent about a year producing the artwork. We had a couple of goals, and one was to create something that was very iconic and acted as a beacon for the station, so it would draw you and also be a landmark for the city of SeaTac. But we also wanted to create an artwork that would be experiential and something you could really observe while you're waiting for a train.
It's the experience of being there underneath the movement of it and the color of it.
I really like to think of our public artworks as things that are enabling collective experiences. So a wide group of people are experiencing this artwork and have different perceptions. Everyone brings a new kind of feeling to it.
Art in everyday spaces is a way to uplift people.
And it really, I think, becomes something that holds the whole community in a way.
View the Cloud at the Angle Lake Light Rail Station in SeaTac. For more must-see Seattle Southside Scenes, go to SeattleSouthsideScenes.com.